How to connect your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G phone with a Windows 11 computer, PC, laptop, desktop using the Smart View feature on your Samsung A54 smartphone. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, make sure that Smart View feature is available. You'll check the quick panel access and look for this toggle known as Smart View, this one right here, okay? Now, if it's not there, you can press this here and look for the available buttons up here. Look for Smart View. It should be on your phone. It's a Samsung A54 smartphone, a mid-tier phone with flagship qualities. All right, so you have to have this feature. Now that it's there and all set and ready to use, next up, you want to go into your settings of your Windows 11 computer. If it's a desktop, a laptop, just go into the main settings here. Once in this view mode here, you'll want to make sure you're under the system settings. So click on that. Then after that, right here, go down this list of all these system options and you'll look for projecting to this PC. Click on it once. And as you click on it, you'll be taken to this here. You'll see launch the wireless display app right up here. If not, you might see wireless display adapter or need to install it. If it says to install wireless display adapter, click on it. A window is going to open up. Type in the words wireless display adapter, select that option, let it install and run, then come back here and you should see launch the wireless display app. After that, in these three drop-down menus here, make sure it's set to exactly how I have it as available everywhere. The second one should be every time a connection is requested. And for the pin, set it to never. You can pause the video and set up everything and come back again. Turn the switch on here and make sure it is visible to nearby devices so that when you're ready to use Smart View, you'll see your Samsung phone. Now you can launch the wireless display app here. You'll see this blue screen. And from here on your Samsung A54 phone, you can use the quick panel access once again and then use the Smart View toggle. So look for the Smart View toggle here. You'll see it there. Just go ahead and long press it. That'll take you here. If it's your first time, you'll see these here. Press next, continue, let the location be on. And it's going to search for nearby devices. You'll see your computer name show up. Make sure it is matching that computer name, just in case you have other names nearby or computers nearby. Start now. It's going to say your Samsung A54 is about to connect. And you should have this here when you're all set and ready to go. Okay. Go into the settings of your home screen and enable the rotate landscape mode so you can actually have your landscape in your home screen, in landscape mode show up on your computer as well, okay? And same thing for the auto rotate in the quick panel access. Go ahead and enable that and that should be it. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.